Welcome to this short meditation session, designed to foster positive thinking within you. Find a comfortable position in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This can be sitting on a chair, a cushion, or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, letting go of any tension. As you settle in, let's take a few moments to relax your body and clear your mind. Take another deep breath, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly. Feel your body becoming more relaxed with each breath. Start from the top of your head, relaxing your scalp, forehead, and eyes. Soften your jaw and let this relaxation flow down your neck and shoulders. Let go of any tension in your arms, hands, chest, and stomach. Relax your back, feeling each vertebrae settle comfortably. Let the relaxation spread to your hips, legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel grounded and supported by the earth beneath you. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a sense of positivity and calm. With each exhale, release any negative thoughts or stress. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply, centering yourself in this moment. I'll now go through affirmations to enhance positive thinking. With each affirmation, imagine the words filling you up from the inside, creating a warm glowing light of positivity that spreads throughout your body. With each affirmation, repeat it to yourself, either silently or out loud, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Remember to continue breathing naturally between each affirmation, allowing your breaths to really absorb the words. Let's begin. I am in charge of how I feel today, and I choose happiness. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. I am resilient, strong, and brave, and I can't be destroyed. Today, I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. Though these times are difficult, they are only a short phase of life. My future is an ideal projection of what I envision now. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I wake up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. My fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen. My nature is divine. I am a spiritual being. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Start to bring awareness back to your body and the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching if you need to. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this feeling of positivity and peace with you throughout the day, and if needed, repeat these affirmations. Remember, you have the power to control your thoughts and emotions today. You are strong, resilient, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and for choosing positive thinking.